Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hey, welcome back to the Trade More YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can blow up your trading in the next 24 hours. So if you want to learn how to trade options and you've got 1 hour a day to do it, then this video lesson is going to be perfect for you. This is video lesson 2 in our option trading series. Hey guys, but before we dive into it, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, all right? Because I literally go live on this channel every single day talking about the markets. Let's get into video 2 in the training series. All right, so right here, we're in a black squeeze. We have neutral permission, we're bearish weak. This is a green to black setup, okay? So write this down. Green to black setup, okay? And again, focus on the setups you're supposed to trade today and the strategy. But this is a green to black. It's also a bear flag. Hooking back up, right? Into a bear flag. Beautiful. We had some take profit signals right there. So if you took that hook up, you know, you're getting some take profit. This is a green to black. So you want to follow your green to black trading strategy rules. And remember, so what we do in a members area, guys, remember, is you go through all that stuff, the permission, boom, 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 all that, so you know what you're going to do today. And then you go to the appropriate trading plan, okay, for whatever your setup is. You go find that trading plan, you go through your watch list, and you look for that setup for that day. So today, if you have permission to take a bear flag trade, and you have the permission, right, up here, the permission, and you have it, go pull out your bear flag trading plan rules, because that's what this setup is. Cisco, we broke to that high. Cisco's just a rocket ship. You're getting a lot of take profits. So if you got in its breakout, you're getting a lot of take profit signals. Okay? A lot of take profit signals. So you, or at least move your stop up, right? You took this kind of micro breakout. So the next setup is going to be a bull flag, but we don't have that yet. Aim at your bullish permission, so higher time frames are activated. You're strong on the daily, right? Or cruising. You're getting some take profit signals if you got in on that flag, but guess what, baby? Bullish breakout setup. Aim at. It's a breakout setup. Also, it's a low compression squeeze, right? Building up, momentum's picking up, low compression squeeze, right? If you guys do not have the squeeze indicator, in the description of all of my videos is a link to get that Squeeze Pro, okay? It's with simpler trading. But if you get the Squeeze Pro through my link in the description, I'm going to give you a lot of bonuses. Check out the bonuses that I'm going to give you if you end up getting that through my link. If you don't get it through my link, I'm not going to give you the bonuses. It's like, you help me, I help you. We're in a low compression squeeze. That means something. This is also a breakout setup. So you can go pull out both of those trading plans. Breakout setup. So if you have permission today to trade bullish breakout setups, this is a breakout setup. Walmart. Okay, Walmart had this. Walmart, I mean, if you go by right here, okay, that's the highest high. Walmart has a breakout setup going on right now. Walmart is a breakout setup. Bullish permission. Okay, so we have bullish permission and we're strengthening. So the higher time frames, all of them are buying, and we're strengthening, see, on the day. We just crossed that 50. We're getting stronger, heading up into the breakout setup. Google, well, by God, we got in Google right here, and I think I took profit on Google was yesterday. I can't remember, but I was in that trade for about a decade. It's still in that squeeze. We broke out. I've already taken profit. I got 80% on that trade. This is crazy. Breaking out, follow through. That's what it is. That's what it is. So right now there's no setup, but we have bullish permission. We're strong bullish. So now you just wait for the next setup, which is the flag. And then you go pull out your flag trading plan rules, and that's it. But right now you need it to pause, right? DD. Okay, DD, what's going on? Low compression squeeze. DD. Low compression squeeze. Now, it might pull back first and then take off. That's the breakout setup up there, but we're in a low compression. Momentum's building up, right? You can see the energy, coming out. Starting to go. And my friends, that is a low compression squeeze. USO we've already looked at. I'll just go ahead and do it again. Low compression squeeze and a breakout setup. So oil's got a breakout setup. We're very strong. Momentum's picking up on a Squeeze Pro. Looks good. GE. I got in here. I hit my target here, right? I made 80% on GE. So right now, what's going on GE? We're in a mid-compression squeeze, okay? I got an entire playlist on the squeeze. Red squeeze, mid-compression. GE, mid-compression squeeze. So let me just kind of write this down. All right? Remember, what setups do you have permission to trade? So do you have permission today to trade the squeeze? That's the issue, guys. That's the issue. When people have problems trading the squeeze, it's not because of the squeeze. It's they don't have permission, but they don't even know what the hell that means. All right, guys, I think this will be a great time in the video just to ask you, hey, do me a favor. If you are finding value in this in any way, hey, give me a thumbs up on this video. I would really appreciate it. Doesn't cost you anything and helps support the channel. Again, thank you very much. Let's get back to the video. Apple. So Apple's bearish. Now we are picking up in the shorter term. We just broke to a higher high. We're bullish. We're bearish weak. So it's weakening. We're about to cross this line, which will start to change it to bullish. We did break to a new high. So personally, there's no setup yet in Apple. We just crossed the 50. So we are picking up some steam. Okay. MRK. Low compression squeeze. Okay. We're not quite stacked, but we're getting there. This is a beautiful low compression squeeze. So MRK is in a black squeeze. Okay? A black squeeze. So beautiful low compression squeeze. AIG. AIG's really not got much going on. Neutral permission on the higher time frames. We're bearish on the week. Not really much happening there. ExxonMobil, that is a breakout setup and a squeeze, guys, right? So here, just kind of erase a bunch of stuff. So we're working our way to the top, right? ExxonMobil, we're in a mid-compression squeeze. And it's a breakout setup, okay? Breakout setup right here. Follow your breakout trading plan rules. Beautiful squeeze, bullish permission. I like it. Comcast, breakout setup. Beautiful. So Comcast pulled back into that beautiful flag. We're in a low compression squeeze. This is a breakout setup. So CM, and I'm going to post all of these. So for those of you in the members area, don't even worry about it. Don't even write them down. I'm going to post them all. So this is a low compression squeeze. And it's a breakout setup. Okay, right there. Breakout of the 47, 42. Low compression squeeze. We're closer to resistance. Bam. So follow your rules if you have permission to trade that today. Okay, Oxy, the red squeeze just fired into the black squeeze. So momentum's picking up to the downside. Okay, we're still bearish on the day. Neutral permission on the month. So you can trade either way. I'd be focusing more to the downside. So people who entered this squeeze thinking it was going to go long, They're probably under some water right now, but this is a, I mean, the squeeze is already fired till it's a black squeeze. You want to catch it back in this area. But I mean, it is a squeeze. Again, it's kind of conflicting messages, so I would just pass. Halliburton, we're bullish on Halliburton, bias up, everything's strengthening strong. We're in a low compression squeeze, right? So Halliburton is a low compression black squeeze. Right? Low compression black squeeze. So you can follow your squeeze trading plan rules, okay? If you have permission to trade the squeeze today, right? So for those of you inside the private members area, you know exactly today what we're focusing on, okay? But that's a, right there is a low compression squeeze setup. All right, everybody. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to successfully trade options and blow up your account in the next 24 hours. Just remember the setups that I talked about in this video lesson, but more importantly, remember when you have permission to trade them. Now, this was video lesson 2 in our option trading series. Be on the lookout for video lesson 3. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video in any way, do me a favor. Smash that like button, all right? So YouTube can spread this out to more people. It really does matter. I really appreciate it. Hey, and if you don't want to miss anything that we post on this channel, whether it's going live, a video, or short, hey, think about subscribing to the channel, right? Because I literally go live and post a video every single day talking about the markets. And if you're interested in any of the indicators or courses that we offer, check down below in the description and the pinned comment. All right, we'll see you in the next video.